That's one way to start the video. Gabby, what are you doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vicky. What's up? I don't know. I haven't been recording much because with this whole quarantine thing, there really isn't much to do. So yesterday I decided to rearrange my furniture, and I'm not finished yet. I was supposed to continue this morning, but I didn't because I think I might have had like an allergy thing going on with my eyes, because I woke up this morning, my eyes were so irritated. They were so irritated and so itchy, so red, and it was so annoying. I kid you not, it was so annoying. I know I keep looking over here because I have my phone set up in a different way so that it can still charge. So camera's right there. It's note to self. So anyways, I was so frustrated with my eyes being so damn itchy. I have no idea what's going on. I remember a couple of months ago, the same thing happened to my mom, where out of nowhere, her eyes were super itchy for no reason. Her eyes were like so puffy, and it was so painful because I knew exactly what she was going through. And to me, it comes and goes, and every morning I deal with it. Every morning I wake up with my eyes being a little itchy, a little irritated, and a little puffy, and I always brush it off and say, okay, it's just probably indoor allergies. There's probably some dust somewhere that needs to be taken care of that I'm not getting. So this morning, oh my god, this morning I took Benadryl and I ended up falling asleep. Thank God my daughter was still in her crib. She was in her crib playing when I was awake. I took one Benadryl hoping that it'll get rid of the sensation. Well, it did, because I fell asleep for a couple of hours. I was supposed to cook for my husband, but I ended up telling my husband to buy lunch because I couldn't cook for him because my lazy ass was still asleep. Well, not my lazy ass. My drugged butt of Benadryl fell asleep. So yeah, that was my rant. My little rant. My setup is a little different because my husband was kind enough to buy me an actual affordable, extremely affordable vlogging stand. Hi, baby, you okay? Mama, you okay? No, yeah, she's fine. So my husband bought me this I think it was $20 stand from Walmart, which is really cool because it comes with a little, what's it called? What do they call those circle lights? But it's super tiny. It's maybe like this big, but it's really cool because these settings are really awesome. Like, I can dim it down a little bit. I can bring it up so you can see me, which is very beneficial because if I turn it off, this is the way I look. This is the way I look if I turn it off. And when I turn it back on, you can see my entire face. I can also switch the lighting setting. This is, I guess it was natural light. Seems like it's yellow, and also the bright light you see in studios, like at Sephora and stuff. And then there's this blue one, which by far is my favorite one because the light in here is kind of yellow. So you can see my entire face, which is, like she says, whoa! Say hi. Say hi. Mwah, mwah. So what I'm gonna do is, I should have done this yesterday. Record the whole thing about me moving stuff around and how I do it. Like right now, you can see that there's still stuff back there. I'll go ahead and give a walkthrough when I'm done with everything. I'm gonna do a really quick time lapse. I'm kind of into the time lapses right now because I find them extremely entertaining and extremely fun. I'll show you the end results. I'm gonna continue. I know right now it's like maybe 3:30 and I still haven't made the bed because just now my eyes have officially cleared up. For the past hour I haven't had any problems. So without further ado, I will do my cleaning, including the dishes, whatever I can get done today, and I'll take you along with me. That's my cue. It's I think it's 6 already. My husband should be on his way home soon. So I stopped my whole cleaning thing because I want to stop sweating before I have to start doing dinner. So the time lapse is like maybe like a minute or so long, and it is so funny because it took me like maybe 2.5 hours to do all of it, and I still have the basket right there that accumulated all the clothes as I was finding stuff like in the drawers, and the jeans that were on the bed, and then the trash needs to be taken out, which is right there. Those bags, us Hispanics know how to recycle store bags, so I need to figure out where to put those. And there's water right there that needs to be put away. Those are my daughter's shoes. I do not like putting them in the closet because they'll probably get lost in the closet and never be used, so I put them here in the little cubby that I have right here. The chair needs to be put back. That's where I had my little stand and my little sewing machine right there. I need to figure out if I'm going to put it in the closet, if I'm going to put it right here in my corner. Right now my daughter is watching something off of CoComelon, but I paused it. She's in her crib playing. She was giving me lots of love, lots of hugs, lots of kisses throughout the entire time lapse, but the time lapse moves so fast that you really don't see it happen. But what I like the most about this whole experience is my stand. My stand is amazing. I swear, it is really, really good. I like it. I really like it because it's separate, you know, like one, I guess, flexible rod for the light and then another one for the phone. So the phone is doing like this weird curve, so I can have it here in my own little area. And I like it because it also comes with a clamp, like a little clasp that you can put anywhere. Like the chair is right there, the chair right there, I had the stand right there, like clamped like on there, and I had the thing doing like this snake stuff, so because I can clean her toy area. Right now it looks really nice, not so much here on this side, not so much on this side, but tomorrow I am going to attack the dresser right there, take out all the clothes and rearrange it. Well, more likely rearrange my husband's clothes because the jeans that were on the bed were his. I don't know if you can see right there in the very corner, that used to be my daughter's changing table. She still wears diapers, but she's too big for the changing table, and I used to have it right here on the side of the wall. So I decided to remove the pad and put my dishes there for storage. As you see, I really don't have a lot of storage for dishes. I just have this one and this one for dishes, but we have so much food, like canned goods, that it's not enough space. It's not enough space, so I converted the changing table for dishes. All I did was just remove the pad and started putting dishes where all the shelves were, and that's very convenient. And my husband has an overflow of jeans and sweatpants because he does change in and out from going to the gym to going to work, and he wears 2 pants every single day and about 2 or 3 shirts every single day depending on the day. And he had an overflow of pants because of how thick they are. They don't fit in the drawers. So the jeans that were on the bed for majority of the video, I just stuffed them in the drawer just to get them out of the way. So they don't end up being rewashed when they don't need to. So tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and take care of all the stuff in the basket. I think I have another basket in the closet that has some miscellaneous, like random stuff, blankets, towels, and stuff that we really don't use on the daily basis. So I'll go ahead and bring you along with that. So I may or may not do it tomorrow because tomorrow is Saturday. But yeah, this outro is already being a little too long. I don't even think it's going to make the whole cut because I only get 15 minutes. But oh well. I will see you next video. Bye!